Health benefits of Ashwagandha. Benefits. It's an ancient medicinal herb. It can reduce blood sugar levels. It has anti-cancer properties. It can reduce cortisol levels. It may help reduce stress and anxiety. It may reduce symptoms of depression. It can boost testosterone and increase fertility in men. It may increase muscle mass and strength. It may reduce inflammation. It may lower cholesterol and triglycerides. It may improve brain function, including memory. Ashwagandha is safe for most people and widely available. Himalaya Ashwagandha Review. Description: Non-GMO Project Verified. Certified USDA Organic. Gluten-free. Happiness through wellness. Releases stress and boosts energy. Rejuvenates adrenal function. Herbal Supplement. 2-month supply. India Organic. Vegan friendly. Suggested use. Adults take 1 capsule per day before food. Warnings. Caution: as with any supplement, consult a healthcare practitioner before use if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, have a medical condition or are planning any medical procedure. Discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.